Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about the extraordinary case coming out of St. Bess, right, where the man who lived with the woman must come back from work from catch her with the baby father. I will talk about it, I don't know, because we are covered the clansman cases, right? Some of the things we are covering them, days after them happen, right? We don't know when I'm watching up here, same way. Before we go into that, number of announcements. Top of the list, Patreon birthday shout out to Richard A from the Patreon squad. Right. Today on birthday. Richard, big up yourself. We know it late, we don't know it already. Right. Hope you enjoy yourself. Right. Big up yourself, big up your whole family. Right. I'm telling you all the time. Right. Buy when I buy, enjoy when I enjoy, but don't forget what is most important. Richard A from the Patreon squad. Big up yourself, team, and big up the entire Patreon squad at that. I have a video dropping for you soon and very soon. It's a follow up to the last video I dropped. Man. You know that video there? Yeah, man. Next announcement. The Clansman Part 2, or the Black Man video Part 2. Man. Turns out it might be able to get salvage. Man. Yeah. Number of people reach out to me and say, can't do this and can't do that, but either way we still have more because C4 have even more things to add. And now, since Friday started, do one for Black Man, Part 1, going to be Part 2. City Push I get one too. I don't know if I'm ready for City Push 1. I'm going to drop them video when time them ready. So there's no point asking when this I go drop, when this I go drop. Just look out for the video them will come quick and fast. Next thing, so all the announcement we're getting at the end of this video. Last but not least, this Sunday or Saturday, not sure which day yet, but I'm going to drop a video on the anti-gang legislation. That's what them call it, anti-gang. It's about a whole different legal name, but I dropped the video because number of people, some PIA members who reason it on a day-to-day basis. People on the Patreon squad are reason on a day-to-day basis. And I said, how this, how somebody for anti-gang get this, it don't make no sense. That's because they never spend any time to learn the act. I'm telling you, so when I fight, when I punch in the dark, you don't even know what you're up against. To defeat something, you must understand it, you must know it. So I'm going to break down the anti-gang laws them. They are a different set of laws with a different set of sentencing. Where if you kill somebody, if one man kill one man, he will get more time than if he gets arrested and convicted as a part of anti-gang murder. Don't ask me which genius sat down and came up with this idea. So it's better for you, let me repeat myself, it is better for you as a 87 to get charged under anti-gang for murder than to get charged for murder without anti-gang. Welcome to Iron Man. I'm going to break it down for you. Saturday or Sunday, the Part 2 for the Black Man video. I'm saying it's a case of which day. We'll look out for the video soon. They might come thick and fast. So now we could talk about what go on at St. Bess. Man by the name of Orlando Blake lose him life in a place they call Fagan town. When we go left out to go on the road, come back home and catch a woman where him live with, Patrice Fagan, with her baby father, and that last name, Patrice Fagan, Fagan town, get it? The part of St. Elizabeth she come from. Fagan town, she under the Fagan them. Get it? Yeah. Catch her with her Babyfather. Let's just say they were not playing card pack. They were not playing domino. When the story first broke, there was lots of different, It looked like setting that tried and looked like setting that tried. Now things are starting to shape up a little clearer. And now things are starting to shape up a little clearer. And all me can do is shape me head. Shape me head because the man get up to go up on the road, Just go and go in business, go and work, whatever. Come back home. Catch the old man, a rubber dub, even current girl, and even go from, as I can imagine, a broken heart, to a heart that stop beating completely, dead. Just like that. No. Mr. Reporter said the Babyfather is a licensed firearm holder. I am pro self-defense. I'm pro licensed firearm. But I've also told you that if it turns out, in any case where somebody use them weapon, a situation where it is not self-defense, then I don't care if I even throw them under the jail book. If you get both throwing them in the jail, you can throw them under the jail if you want. No, obviously we never did it. So I don't know if it's a case where man rush man and man defend self, I don't know. Let me say, what we're sure about is that Orlando is dead. The next man under some serious questioning, and the girl can't be found. She's now a person of interest. She will not turn in herself. That already show you say something spooky. The people them get so upset over what happened to Orlando Blake. Them go firebomb our car, firebomb all the house. Just like that, a quiet Sunday day. 1 minute everything good, next minute death and destruction literally. See how quick things escalate? Now, one man killing a next man. Over an eagle eye, a story as old as time itself. Imagine you left the yard and go back there. And find the next man, and give a woman a back shot. And then, shortly after, you get a gunshot. You see, when stories like this happen, it's easy if you just say, boy, rough yard man and move on, but remember say Iron Man. I remember saying the Iron Man culture, it is established, the somebody have to go dead back. More than think about it, You can have the entire family, all of the friends, all of the co-workers, everybody. Let's say total that's 50 people. All it takes is one out of the 50 if you say nah go so. And that one no go retaliate and kill somebody. Or them can't catch the man, then can't catch the girl, so then kill back our friend, then kill back. And then just like that, things turn upside down. It's unfortunate. It's a tragic story. The people them involved, one is a teacher, one is a JPS contractor, one is quote unquote businessman. So honestly say, this never even involved. This is not even gang activity or any kind of. This is what them call crime of passion or love triangle and anything. But dead are dead. Same end result. And as me say, knowing Iron Man, it's unlikely to go stop this up. Especially if they can't find the girl, especially if no arrest get made, especially if no conviction no go on, then no people on the street now start plot. Or forget for them form of justice. So this is one case where they want to talk about because me don't want it fade away. I want to hear what happened regarding the shooter and the female involved, I will need to hear her go on with this case. A witness have to help the case. And the witness them, more than likely, I will take side with each other. Because that's our baby father. Let's be realistic, you know, so enough time the baby father still I get the eagle eye. Right? All the time the woman find a new man. Right? This is why enough man I like deal with the baby father thing. Because baby father, right, always seem to find a way back in an eagle eye. Right? It's like them have a compass feet, them always seem to find them back in an eagle eye. When you get to the point the man start dead, all me can do is shake man. So I watch to see something come out of it, I watch to see if them find the girl. But this is one of most man worst nightmare. Not only him come home, come catch an one. Right? Literally in a woman. But him end up in the grave. You can't have a worse day than that. And Christopher go on now. I'm saying look out for the anti-gang video and look out, right, for the C4 part 2. C4 talking about Black Man part 2. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.